Welcome to College for TN. Today I want to show counselors how to access their students' reports and find out how well their students are doing on meeting important college and career milestones. First, counselors will log into their account, and immediately in the main menu at the top, they will see Home, Counselor Resources, and Students. Counselors will select the word Students, and then the orange box on the left, Explore Manage Students. All of the students who have created accounts or whose data lives within College for TN will show up after loading. I will click Select All Pages on the top left. Then it will select all of those students, and I will select Assign Counselor. When I select Assign Counselor, that means all of the students associated with my high school, elementary, or middle school, all of their accounts, I will be able to view and monitor and track while logged in as the school counselor or school educator designee at that school. Once I have claimed and assigned students, they will be visible to any and all educators and counselors within your school building. So don't worry, they will not disappear from others' caseloads. Once I've claimed the students, now I can track their progress in the green box, and all of my students will show up here. So I can track their significant graduation, portfolio, learn about yourself, and then also delete and add other items. So if they're in 8th grade, they won't need to be concerned with the FAFSA, but they will need to know about their portfolio. Have they added a career in a college? And probably not scholarships yet. Once I've done this, then I can download my entire list by, again, selecting my students and downloading them. Even more importantly are the metrics and reports. So now I can run a report based on the last 30 days or from the beginning of the school year in August to present. Then I can search by 8th graders. So how many 8th graders have completed an inventory and saved colleges and careers? Once the site pulls the resources and the reports, then you'll be able to see based on grade level and parameters. As you can see, there's another category here for list. If you create a student group list, then you can toggle by specific groups, homeroom teachers, perhaps. So now that my students have loaded here, I can search by inventories. My students haven't started their inventories yet. What are my students' career aspirations? These are 8th graders in the system. So as you can see, only 6 students have reported their careers. In terms of colleges, I have 6 students who've added different colleges. The tracking and application is more appropriate for juniors and seniors who are getting closer to admission deadlines and other requirements. So to go back to the main page, we're choosing students, manage students, selecting all of our students, and then assigning those students, selecting all pages, assigning those students to us, the counselor, so then I can see who are the counselors in my school building and how many students have been assigned to those counselors. And then I can run reports. If you need additional support, under Contact Support, there are some videos that you can view in order to access YouTube videos on how to complete these important tasks.